Is the Messenger app not working on your PC? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Messenger app not working issue on your computer. So, let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Repair and reset Messenger. To do this, first open Settings. Then click on Apps from the left side menu. After that, click on Installed Apps. Now, find the Messenger app and click the three-dot icon next to it. Next, click on Advanced Options. Now, scroll down a little and click the Repair button. Once that's done, click the Reset button. Then click on Reset from here. Now, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Reinstall Messenger. For this one, click on the search icon and type in WS Reset. Then click on WS Reset from the search result. Once Microsoft Store opens up, restart your computer. After your PC turns on, right-click on the Windows icon from here and select Install Apps. Now, find Messenger and click on the three-dot icon next to it. Then click on Uninstall. And after that, click on Uninstall again. Once uninstalled, open Microsoft Store and search for Messenger, and then install it. Once installed, the issue should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix Facebook Messenger not working issue on your computer. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Take care.